This came to my mind today while I was making some tutorials. Okay, musicians, those who grew up in Africa and those who live in Africa, right? Do you remember way back before everybody started learning bass lines and stuff like that, right? Whenever there was praise and worship, especially for crusade or concert outside, whenever there was a very hot praise and worship, do you remember hearing the sound of the bass? Hearing how the musicians played the bass back then? There was no technical way of playing it. There was no Makossa bass line or anything like that. It was Makossa or it was like African praise, but there was no specific bass line for specific songs, right? They were just playing with their heart. They were just playing notes, but those notes were matching the song and was good, right? So I wanted to play some of that, like to play that way today without trying to think too much about bass line, without doing too much. Okay, just play simple stuff, but make it sound good. Okay, all right. So that's what I was doing that today, and I was liking it, so I decided to share some. So listen to this.
Dance like you're in a meadow. Come on. Dance like you're in a meadow.